This is gonna take time. The oxidation is worse than it looked.
Yeah.
We need to treat this section delicately.
Look at the amount of dust buildup here.
Yeah, it hasn't been touched in years. We need to be careful with these hoses. The bushings on the compliance arms are completely shot, and the ball joints look original. We should replace the whole assembly while we're here. Definitely, add it to the parts list. The plan looks solid. We'll start paint correction on the hood first. Okay, let's see what we're working with here. Look at all the dust in here. We need to be careful with these connectors. Yeah, I'll use the pick tool on this one so it doesn't crack. Look at the rust on this frame rail. We'll need to patch that.
Yeah.
And this wiring harness is completely shot. I'm making a note.
We're using a foaming citrus degreaser to break down years of baked-on brake dust and road grime before we move to the suspension components.
All right, torque to spec. Looks perfect. Let's install the valve covers. Keep your arm moving steadily. Looking good. Perfect coverage, beautiful gloss.
This NSX presented some unique challenges, but the team really delivered. Yeah, it's perfect. Ready for the owner reveal.
All right, slowly. Watch that manifold. Got it. Perfect. Now, lower it a little more. Looks flawless. Excellent work. Almost there. Just a few more adjustments. Looking perfect. The color match is spot on. Perfect. Now for the seat, watch the side bolster.
Made for Honda NSX lovers, for the ones who never stop believing. From dust to legend. NSX.